Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to virtual learning of Sri Babubhai Ponda Junior College, Dahanu. Friends, we are learning on to the summit. We have seen these photographs, beautiful photographs of Mountain Everest, trekkers, here trekkers on Everest. Here it is your book, and we are learning on to the summit written by Sherpa Tenzing from his autobiography Times of India Archive. On to the summit, we reach the top. Icebreakers we have seen, climbing, related words, trekking, hiking, mountaineering, ice climbing, horse trekking, caving, bouldering. This we have seen in our first video, Sherpa Tenzing's photograph. On to the summit, we have seen this, Edmund Hillary. Here the beautiful camp photo, very beautiful, ice rocks. Here, this is we have seen rope tied them. Rope is a unity, symbol of unity. We have seen. And here we are. Here the friends, last, if there had been a difference of 1,000 feet between us, means between Sherpa Tenzing and Edmund Hillary, then one could make claim that he was first and he is second. But even then, only the man behind him could confirm the distance between the two of them. Up to this we have seen. Now let's go ahead. Friends, in our first video, we have seen that. So here we are. When we reached Kathmandu, we discovered that a controversy had arisen. Controversy means here the prolonged public disagreement, means contrast or heated discussion. So we don't like that discussion, that is controversy, that had arisen on what issue, that is who is first and who is second. We talk it over. Hillary, Colonel Hunt and I, means three of them, they talk on such issue. We agreed that all talk was childish. Whatever the people's controversy was there, that was childish. Because Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing climb first. Both they climb simultaneously. It's a teamwork. And so that's why all that controversy of people that were childish. Yeah, here, so we made a pact. We made a pact means general agreement. Pact means here general agreement. Here, pact, a formal agreement between individuals or parties, just agreement. And here discuss in pairs about any controversy in which you have got embroiled. Also speak of your experience to the class. Means if there is any controversy within you or with your friends, so you just discuss that to class, your partner, your friend, about that controversy, about that subject. Here, so we made pact and each of us signed it in the office of the Prime Minister of Nepal. Each one signed his own statement. Means there is a something that thoughts or the statement that I reach or he reach or whatever the experience they received, they write on that agreement. I have a copy of Hillary's statement. Means Sherpa Tenzing have that copy of Hillary's statement which I carry in my pocket. It reads, means how it is now, Kathmandu, June 22, 1953. Means this is the statement by Edmund Hillary. On May 29, Tenzing Sherpa and I left our high camp on Mountain Everest for our attempt on the summit. Means they both attempt the same way. And this is the statement of Edmund Hillary. Means how he has given that statement. As we climb upwards to the south summit first and one and then the other would take a turn at leading. Means they were leading. Sometimes Sherpa Tenzing, and sometimes Edmund Hillary. We cross over the south summit and move along the summit ridge. As we cross that summit, highest peak, and ridge. Here the ridge meaning a long narrow piece of raised land. And we reach the summit almost together. Almost together means both are at the same time. We embrace each other, overjoyed at our success. And when they reach the embrace means to meet or to hug someone closely, means like that. Here the embrace, hug or hold someone closely in one's arm, like that, embrace each other and they celebrate. Then I took photograph of Tenzing holding aloft the flags of Great Britain, Nepal, the United Nations, and India. Means I took means here Edmund Hillary took photograph of Sherpa Tenzing holding aloft that flags, four flags. First one Britain, Nepal, United Nations, and India. Sign E.P. Hillary, and in on that statement there was a sign on E.P. Hillary, Edmund Hillary. There is another paper like this in English signed by me, and the same paper that was in English signed by me means Sherpa Tenzing. Thus, we will not take part in any controversy. Means there was no controversy. So both they signed. As the statement says, Hillary and I embraced. When we reached the top, means both they were the same at the same time. We did as well as our bulky equipment would let us. You know, friends, bulky means heavy, very heavy equipments. Whatever their equipments were there with them, mask or something, or bags or something, water bottle maybe, or another equipment, rope, and would let us means whatever the heavy equipments were there on their back. And that's why I remember saying to him, we have done it. Only he said, we have done it, means with sign only. But we couldn't hear, we had our oxygen mask. We couldn't hear because we had our oxygen mask. So that's why only by sign we have done it, means maybe the sign of thumbs up. And we have done it because here they had wore their oxygen mask. Here, oxygen mask, this type of mask they may have. That's why they couldn't hear. Next, first thought. Now, what was the first thought? My first thought on reaching the top was a sense of gratitude to God, means thanks to God. Means very safely they landed there, they reached there. That's why. And that after having failed 6 times, means 6 attempts, he failed, he had blessed me with fulfillment of this desire I had held so long. Means this was the desire of Sherpa Tenzing to climb. 6 attempts that he failed. I placed on the summit offerings to God that I had carried with me. Now he placed the offerings. Means when we become successful, we offer to God something, some things or something that I carried with me. This is an accord with my religion. Means this is the accord with means religion's belief. Now what accord? In accord with, in agreement with, that is harmonious or consistent with, means in religion. Both my wife and I are Buddhist. They were Buddhist religion, Buddhist. I could not kneel because my clothes and equipment, because of equipment, heavy equipments and clothes, he could not kneel. And we offer prayer after kneeling down, we knelt down. But I offer a silent prayer in my heart, only silent prayer in my heart. The offerings were biscuit, candy, and little blue pencil. My youngest daughter, Nima, had given me the pencil before I left home. Since his youngest daughter, Nima, had given that pencil, biscuit, and candy. Whatever we have, we offer to God. And they have only such things. Sherpa Tenzing have only biscuit, candy, and a pencil that is given by Nima, his daughter. She asked me to put it on the top of the mountain as her offering. It was Anne. She said, told her father, your biscuit, candy, and pencil. So, ordinary blue pencil that was, not even a long one, but it was one of her prized possession. Means maybe she got or received by someone that in prize, in award. As I put it down, I pointed it to Hillary. He gave me a big smile. And when I said that I put it down, he pointed uh, to Hillary and gave me a big smile, showing that he understood and he understood. Then I got out the bags which I had on piece of string about our feet 4 feet long. Means then I got out flags. It is flag 4 flags which I had on piece of string about 4 feet long. Means 4 feet long means near about like this only. I fastened one end of my ice axe and Hillary took pictures as I held it up. When I held it up, Hillary took photograph of me. As I had to bring my ice axe down with me, I buried one end of the string in the ice and on the top means ice axe he had to bring down because it is a instrument to cut ice, and that's why he buried one end of flag in that ice. This ice and ice everywhere on the top, and the other in the snow means snow was there on the slope below, is down below. when we left when we left, they were lying flat against the summit, and they were lying flat against the summit. Friends, today only in this part, remaining part, we will learn in next video. They are the ways in which Tenzing Norgay celebrates on reaching the top. 1, 2, 3 means first he offered, then he prayed silently, then he offered that candy, biscuit, and pencil offerings, and then he showed that, pointed out to Hillary, and they showed that he understood. He gave a big smile. Means these are the things how they celebrate, celebrate Norgay and Edmund Hillary. So you have to write, you have to complete these 3 points. So friends, thank you very much for watching my video. So bye bye, take care.